Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning class of computer science. Students, today we will continue our lesson 3 more on MS Word. Let's start from page number 27. Indentation. Indentation is the space between the page margin and the text. In MS Word, there is left, right, first line and hanging indentation. Students, it means the space or gap between the text and left or right margin within a document is called as indentation. It is used to move the complete paragraph or the first line to a specific number of places. There are four types of indents available in MS Word. Left indent. It indicates space between the paragraph and the left margin. Right indent indicates space between the paragraph and the right margin. First line indent. It is used to indent the first line of the paragraph. You can use the tab key to create a first line indent. Hanging indent. It indents all the lines of the paragraph to specific distance from the left margin except the first line. Steps to select the indentation. Select the text or paragraph and click on the dialog box launcher arrow at the right bottom corner of the paragraph group. Now select the left or right indentation by specifying the values in the value or spin box. Now you can also specify the special type of indentation from the special drop down box. Means you can select first line or hanging indentation from the special indentation box, and you can set its value from the by box and click on the OK button. Line spacing. Line spacing is the amount of space between the lines of the text in a paragraph. You can increase or decrease this space. Students, you can see that line spacing is the vertical distance between the lines of the text in a paragraph. Steps to change the line spacing. Select the text or paragraph. On the Home tab, click on Line Spacing button in the paragraph group. Now select the desired value from the drop-down list. Paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing is the space above and below a paragraph. Students, paragraph spacing determines the amount of space above or below a paragraph. When you press enter to start a new paragraph, the spacing is carried over to the next paragraph. But you can change the setting for each paragraph. Steps to set the paragraph spacing. Select the text or paragraph. Now click on the line spacing button on the Home tab in paragraph group and a drop down box appears. Now select add space before paragraph, or you can select add space after paragraph option from the drop down list. Borders and shading. Borders. Borders are the set of lines, shapes, images, etc. that are added in MS Word to make documents more attractive and beautiful. Shading. Shading means gives background color to a paragraph or text. Adding borders and shading. You can apply different types of borders to your page or paragraph. Steps to apply borders and shading. Click on the borders button in the paragraph group on the Home tab. Select the borders and shading button. The borders and shading dialog box appears. Now choose the style, color and width for the border of the paragraph in the Borders tab. You can apply a page border by going to the Page Border tab and choose a style, color and width. Students, you can apply a shading to a paragraph or page by going to the Shading tab, choose the color and click on OK button. Thank you and have a nice day.